This is VJ Franz K. Good morning.
Good morning, my friends. It's VJ Franz K. Here I'm unboxing the Pocket Operator PO35 Speak, which I recently picked up at Perfect Circuit. Also got some Pulsar 23 stickers from Soma, and now I have been considering this for a long time, the Pocket Operators, but I wasn't sure about the very small form factor of the machine. Wasn't sure if I was going to be able to use it, but luckily I was able to try it at Perfect Circuit, and I realized that indeed I had been missing out. Here we go. Alright, so minimalism all along. I don't know about leaving the package open like that. It kind of seems like asking for dust to come in there, but the whole thing is that they designed this product with low price but high fun level, and that's what it is, and you can use it. It's basically kind of just a circuit board with a few chips on here and a screen and these very basic clicky buttons, and you can buy a variety of skins or shells for the unit to make it more protected as you go and do your jams or whatever. Let's see, does it include batteries? Oh, it doesn't include batteries. Alright. Well, I'll get those later, but I was having a lot of fun with these earlier in the store when I tried it out, and I've always been fascinated with speech synthesis, which is what this is. It's not a traditional sampler, but whatever you record into it becomes a sort of speak and spell type of voice. So it's re-synthesizing everything that you say, or other sounds can be imitated too, but obviously speech is the most common way to use it. But yeah, it'll duplicate other sounds too, so I'm going to go find some batteries now for this. But anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to VJ Franz K. Alright, I've got my rechargeable batteries in the back there, and there's a small speaker built in. And it says don't mess around, but I've been messing around with the patterns a little bit. I'm still learning to use it, but I've got the manuals here in Japanese as well as English, other languages, so that's cool. And they include little guidelines right here inside the box, which is fun. So there's a lot of YouTube discussions of these, but as the guy says, hold record to do the recording, and also hold the number of the voice sample.
Voice sample.
Okay, it got it.
Voice sample. Voice sample. Voice sample. Voice sample. Voice sample.
So I'm already turning into a robot, as you can hear. And yes, this does have audio out, for real audio. High quality line out. But it's fun that they have a little built-in speaker included. Sort of goes along with the fact that it is designed to look like a calculator. A pocket calculator, and you're the pocket operator. And we'll get one more. Sonic recording.
Sonic recording. Sonic recording. Sonic recording.
This has been kind of the machine I've waited for a long time, because always been fascinated with robot voices and stuff. And I sort of speak like a robot anyway, people will say. And sometimes that's intentional, other times
Sonic recording.
I'm just speaking well, you know. But
Sonic recording.
and then I could put different
Sonic recording.
different
Sonic recording.
playback styles on this voice.
Sonic recording.
You can make a simple track with just this, I guess, but you could hook it up to the other pocket operators, or what I'm probably going to do with it is sample it into other machines, because I just like the overall sound of this thing. And this is an uncommon sort of algorithm. You don't see this in the wild much in modern technology, because now we have better ways to realistically duplicate speech. I'll learn to use it better later, but just wanted to share my little joy here with finally having a pocket operator, and who knows, maybe I will have some of the other ones later on, but this is the one that was most of interest to me, just because, like I said, fascinated with speech synthesis techniques. VJ Franz K signing out for now. Please subscribe here on YouTube and consider becoming a patron.